So hello students, let's start the class. Can everyone hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So what we were discussing in the last class, we were talking about reproduction in bacteria, right? And as far as reproduction is concerned, what we understand is bacteria reproduce by means of asexual method, and the most common being obviously binary fission. Right? Binary fission ponilo, and during unfavorable condition, we also see spore formation. We have talked about the endospore. That is from the asexual part. Talking about exchange of genetic materials, right? The duta bacteria exchange of genetic material, but inside of that, we cannot say that sexual reproduction occurs in bacteria. Right? So sexual reproduction is absent in bacteria. It is only sexual recombination that is observed. Right? And starting or talking about sexual recombination, it occurs by three processes. Our last class finish we have completed transformation and conjugation, right? Today we will start the class with the third one, that is transduction. So heading koriba transduction. Continuation. Right. So we'll be talking about the third process, transaction, right? What we remember from this topic is whenever we talk about sexual recombination, actually key hoy duta bacteria majot ki genetic materials like exchange hoy, right? So it is called as sexual recombination. When we have talked about transformation and conjugation, right? We have used or we have talked about certain unique points about both the process, right? Conjugation or আমি কি কৈছিলো the conjugation যদি দুটা bacteria হ'ব লাগে তেতিয়াহলে both the bacteria needs to come in direct contact. Whereas if you're talking about the other processes, that direct contact nahileo exchange of genetic material hobo. Right. Out of the three, we have also discussed one point as to which one is the most common type. It's obviously conjugation. Right. Out of the three types, no, transformation, transaction, and conjugation. So what's the common kuntu it is conjugation. Right. So aji ki korin transaction. Whenever we talk about transaction, the first point that we say is transaction type করে যদি genetic material exchange হবো লাগে, then they always or the bacteria always would be in requirement of a helper. That's the first point. Second point is no direct contact is essential for the process of transaction. Conjugation যেনেকে হব লাগিলে direct contact হবই লাগিব, ঠিক তেনেকে transaction হব লাগিলে কিন্তু bacteria contact নাহিলেও হব. Right? So you have one bacteria here, you have the other bacteria here. Eta bacteria to next bacteria to genetic material, you have something who acts as a helper, right? Or a mediator. What will do? He will take the genetic material. And what exactly are we talking about is the role of virus. Eta bacteria pra antibacterial genetic material kune carry koribo, it is always a virus. Jodi enukwa dhoroner genetic change which is dependent on a virus, then that process is called as transaction. Duita point buzi paisu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yate likha first what is transaction? It is the process through which genetic material is transferred from one bacteria to the other through a virus. And virus আমি ইয়াতে একটা word use করি that is called as phase. So junto processor through genetic material exchange between two bacteria, but obviously with the help of a virus, that process is called as transaction. Right? So this is the first statement. Second, it was first reported by Ginder and Ledenberg, B-E-R-G. While working in a particular bacteria, Salmonella typhi M-U-R-L-U-M, Murlam. Right? So my A2 part of key question is that whenever we are talking about recombination part, we need to remember the name of the scientist, no? Kune propose koise, transformation kune koise, conjugation kune koise, thik tanake transaction of behind the workers you have to remember, and obviously the name of the microorganism also, right? So Salmonella important, name of the scientist important. Next.
Ma'am, Salmonella typhi
Murlam.
কি আছে মানে
P-H-I-M-U-R-L-U-M.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. এইকেইটা পইণ্ট লিখিলো
এটা আপনি ট্রান্সডিউসার লিখেছেন
হ্যাঁ ট্রান্সডিউসার we will come into the meaning of transducer.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, we come to a word that is called as transducer. Transducer মানে কি যোনে এটা ফর্ম আনটো ফর্মলে কনভার্ট কৰে, that is called as a transducer, right? So what will the virus do? The virus will take the genetic material from one bacteria and put it into another bacteria. আর নতুন ব্যাকটেরিয়াতে যোনে নেকি বেলেগ এটা ব্যাকটেৰিয়াৰ genetic material ললে লৈ পেলাই কি কৰিব? Their genetic material will get something changed, no? নিজৰ খিনিটো আছিলে তাৰ উপৰি বেলেগৰ পৰাও লৈছে, so কি হ'ব অকমান হলেও চেঞ্জ হ'ব, right? So because it is something related with change, so we are using the word called as transducer. Who acts as a transducer? The phase helps in the process of transaction, ঠিক আছে? So transducer হিচাপে কোনে কাম কৰে বা কোনে কনভার্ট কৰিবলৈ হেল্প কৰে? It is always the virus that helps it, right? আৰু ইমান বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নহয়, ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কি হয় যে এই প্ৰচেছটো সদায় এটা ভাইৰাছ বা ফেজ পাৰ্টিকল, we have a new word here also, phase, P-H-A-S-E আৰু P-H-A-G-E, both the meaning are different, right? P-H-A-S-E, phase মানে তো আমি জানো ন, phases of life, phases of this, that, etc. কিন্তু P-H-A-G-E, phase বুলি ক'লে we always say, or we always talk about a virus. Now, as far as this process is concerned, a process to we'll talk it in terms of a diagram. Transformation experiment to দেখাইছিলো, conjugation we have drawn a diagram. ঠিক তেনেকে transaction process কেনেকে হয় We'll draw a diagram. And if you draw the diagram, I don't think you have to write it in sentences. The diagram itself will speak about it. So it will be comparatively longer. Okay, a diagram with many phases, right? Page don't try to draw it in a very congested paper or a page. Okay. So we start with the bacteria. Whenever we are talking about transaction, the first step, suppose this is a bacteria. The bacteria will have its own genetic material. I was into prokaryotic cell akisilu. And transaction of you need a virus. Right. And this virus will also have its genetic material. Aki jaba, please use colorful pens. Is this letter clear? देखा पैसा नहीं ये word to?
Then bacteriophage, no?
Bacteriophage, very good. और ये जिनके रोंगा के आकी सो, this red part. Genetic material. किहर genetic material? A virus रो genetic material. What is
आपने
this?
बैक्टीरिया मटेरियल जेनेटिक मटेरियल बना सर
A2 bacteria genetic material, A2 virus or genetic material. Right? So this is the first step. Second step, মই আঁকি যাম, পিছত মই তোমাক বুজাই দিম। Can you see the red color properly?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, প্ৰথম বেক্টেৰিয়াটো যে আপুনি বক্সত লিখিছে, ma'am, এইটো বেক্টেৰিয়াৰ পিছত কিবা এটা লিখিছে নেকি আপুনি?
Bacteria 1, bacteria number 1.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम border left side to इमान ভালকে visible হোৱা मैम
লিখা নাই ন ৰবা এইখিনি কা পাইছা
मैम পাইছো
এইখিনি দেখা নাই ন এক সেকেন্ড ৰবা আকিলো কৈ আছো এতিয়া দেখা পাইছা নে চোৱাচোন
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
পাইছো
সাইডত যোনখিনি মই at present যোনখিনি লিখি আছো ন this was a description of the stage actually stage বিলাকত কি হৈ আছে see the colors properly okay
Ma'am, upon it, phage DNA gets replicated in percent.
And phase proteins are produced.
মেম বেক্টেৰিয়াটো বেলেগকে আঁকিব পাৰি নেকি মেম? স্পেচ নাই তাৰমানে।
লিংক কৰি দিব লাগিব কিন্তু দেই বস্তুটো।
মেম লিংক কৰিব লাগিব।
আৰু এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিবা, বেক্টেৰিয়া 2 টো আছে জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলটো বেলেগ এটা কালাৰ দি দিবা দেই, নহলে বেক্টেৰিয়া 1 আৰু বেক্টেৰিয়া 2 একো ডিফাৰেন্সে কম নাপাম। বেক্টেৰিয়া 1 with black color genetic material, bacteria 2 with green color genetic material.
Okay, ma'am.
Diagram carefully diagram to draw kora. Board con complete dekha paisa?
Yes, ma'am.
arrowhead kini bhalke mark koriba. See the sequence. Once you are done, please inform.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Sabore hol ki?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Come on, look.
Take your time. Take your time. Oh, doesn't matter. Take your time.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Sabore hol. Can we go for the explanation now?
Ma'am, एक मिनट का screenshot लेना.
Okay, sure. Well, let me go away from here. Then it'll be easy. More visible. Oh, এটা হেৰি দেখুৱা নাই ন, এটা arrowhead দেখুৱা নাই. এটা arrowhead দিয়া নাছিলো, please draw it. তাৰমানে ইয়াৰ পৰা আহি পেলাই is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sabore hol no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Let's go for the explanation. So, before explaining, one thing. I don't think transaction process to draw and describe the question আহিব. ঠিক আছে? So, boards of মই তেনেকুৱা question দেখা নাই যে draw the process of transaction, right? I am putting it into a form of a diagram so that you can understand the process. A diagram to the process to if you understand the GA questions you'll be able to write it out. Okay? Okay, let's start. So we are talking about exchange of genetic material between two bacteria by a process called as transaction. Transaction hobo lagile eta bacteria fra antu bacteria materials bilak ba genetic materials who will carry koribo, who will carry
A virus.
a virus is also called as a phase, right? So in this diagram or in this process we are talking about a virus, and this virus that attacks a bacteria is called as bacteriophage. So this is one bacteria, this is the other bacteria. Eight bacteria genetic material khini jodi eight bacteria lake ahi jai, the process we call as transaction. So what we see this bacteriophage attacking the first bacteria, that is bacteria number 1. One thing that you need to remember is jetia eta virus bacteria attack kore no. So this is the diagram of the bacteriophage. Whenever the virus attacks the bacteria, it is only the genetic material that enters inside the host and not the entire body. Is the line clear? when a virus attacks a bacterial cell, it is only the genetic material that enters. Into virus bilake jetia attack kore, tahantor genetic material kiniye host cell humai jay. Gutei body to humai na jay. Apart from few exceptions, kisuman exceptions also we'll talk about it later during a virus class. But as of now, what we'll remember, when a virus enters inside or attacks a bacteria, it always puts inside or inserts the genetic material. So ultimately, second step of ki hol, a genetic material to it has entered inside the bacteria. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, once the genetic material of the phase particle enters the bacterial cell, it takes the control of the bacterial cell. So bacterial cell to kune control koribole arambho kore, he virus to control koribo arambho kore. Thik ache? So what will the virus do? Humai pelai, what he will do, he will break the genetic material of the host bacteria. Prothomote eneka circular DNA asile, no? So this circular DNA would be broken down into fragments. And who is responsible? Obviously the phase particle. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ proteins কিছুমান synthesize কৰিব যাৰ কাৰণে host bacteria DNA খিনি ভাঙি যাব. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the next step. Once this process is done, the next phase is replication. What we understand by the word replication? Producing more in numbers is called as replication. So it was just one genetic material, this one replicated and ultimately it forms a collection of genetic material. So at one side of the cell, what you can see is fragmented DNA of the bacteria, and on the other side, what you can see is the replication of the phase DNA. Right? After replication, this virus is in need of its body. All genetic material to body to humanai, etia cell to ahi pelai. Ki koribo? He will direct the bacterial cell to synthesize such type of proteins so that he can form the body. So in the next diagram, what we see is on the genetic material, cover body to cover. Who creates this body is always by the bacterial cell. Why? Because the virus takes the control of the bacterial cell. So we have written the phase DNA gets replicated and phase proteins are produced. Right? Is the point clear? All genetic material to so bacteria you have to synthesize certain types of proteins so that I can make my body. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next point is, if you see the diagram carefully, when the body has been made, it's the time for that genetic material to enter inside the body. Original form of antibody. Right? Original key genetic material. So exactly here, the body is formed, the genetic material of the virus also entered inside it. But sometimes what happens, apart from this viral DNA, genetic DNA kisumanu ki hoy phase or body to bhitor humai jay. I think the diagram itself speaks about it. Point to dhoribo pare. Black color akiso. This is nothing but the genetic material of the bacterial cell. And red black akiso. This is nothing but the genetic material of the phase bacteria. So what happens is, yata actually ki hobo lagisile. Virus or genetic material ki hobo lagisile. Instead of that, in some phase body ki hoy bacterial genetic material humai jay. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, come to this stage. So after this, the number will keep on increasing. Viral number to then the number will keep on increasing. They will keep on multiplying. Once they keep on multiplying, at a certain time, cell to capacity exceed korizabo, and that will lead to the lysis of the cell. So obviously, the cell will burst, and all the bacteriophage will come out of the cell. Once the bacteriophage comes out of the cell, what will the phase particles do? The phase particles will be in search of another bacteria to attack. A phase particle to beleg bacteria attack korbo, attack korbo, they are in search of the bacterial cell. Now, if suppose this phase attacks a bacteria or a new bacteria, then the diagram will almost or exactly be the same. Yes or no? If this one attacks a bacteria, diagram কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? Exactly আমি যি আঁকিছিলো এইখিনিয়ে diagram হ'ব নহয়. So the cycle will get repeated. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? So that is the reason why I have not drawn a phase to it, bacteria to the attack করে, this will be the process. But if this one attacks another bacteria, what will happen? This is a phase with the genetic material of bacteria 1, right? It has attacked a new bacteria. New bacteria because it has different type of genetic material, right? This time what happens? Again, the genetic material will enter, but this will not get replicated. Eta difference আছে ইয়াতেও genetic material সোমাইছে ইয়াতেও genetic material সোমাইছে. When you are talking about the phase genetic material of this bacteria phase, the next step কি কৰিছে? It replicates in number, but in this case this genetic material is of this bacteria. It does not replicate, whereas it gets attached with this genetic material of the new bacteria, ultimately forming a total new combination. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right? অকল গ্ৰীণ আছিলে গ্ৰীণৰ লগত যেতিয়া ব্লেকটো লাগি গ'ল গ্ৰীণ আৰু ব্লেকৰ এটা নতুন কম্বিনেশ্যন হ'ল নতুন কম্বিনেশ্যন হোৱা মানে নতুন বেক্টেৰিয়া ফৰ্ম কৰা হয় না yes or no
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
right so we had bacteria 1 this was bacteria 2 and finally we had bacteria number 3 দুটা বেক্টেৰিয়াৰ মাজত exchange হোৱাৰ পিছত a new bacteria was formed. When this bacteria multiplies, we get daughter bacteria or daughter cells as such. So, notun bacteria formation hole. So, what we can see is during this process, what happens is from one bacteria to the next bacteria, the genetic material was transferred. This is the genetic material that is transferred, and who helped in this transfer? It's obviously the bacteriophage. So such type of a transfer which requires the help of a virus or a phase particle is called as transduction. Is the point understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Kabar doubts ase niki? Right? Accuracy details are nalage. Okay. So up till here, what we have completed is we have completed the first type of Monera. We are talking about biological classification. We are following Whittaker's 5-kingdom classification. And according to this classification, we will have to talk about the 5 kingdoms. And the first kingdom that we have started the class with, obviously, is Monera. Monera, what is the first line that you will always remember?
It is prokaryote.
It is the kingdom of prokaryotes. Next, if you are talking about Monera, as we have already discussed, there are so many different types of Monera. We have talked about 8 different types of Monera, and out of those 8, we have to speak in details about 5 of them. And pastor Vitor too. So what's the details? Eubacteria, and this was the information about eubacteria. So this is all about the first part. So eubacteria, first, what is eubacteria? A true bacteria is called as a eubacteria. What we have studied the structure of the bacteria. We have talked about the life process of bacteria, starting from growth, respiration, reproduction, right? So, yes, and obviously the forms of bacteria. We have talked about the coccus, bacillus, vibrio, etc., etc. Right? So, ekhini asile eubacteria. Once we have completed the first type of bacteria, that is eubacteria, we will have to talk about the next type of Monera, that is cyanobacteria. So, eubacteria ekhini information. Next, we keep on cyanobacteria, which is also called as blue-green algae. So, please make a heading. Ki likhiba? Cyanobacteria boli likhiba / the blue-green algae likha. Ekhini portion oporto ekko doubt nai?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I think I can rub the board. Just give me some time to rub the board. In the meantime, cyanobacteria heading koriba. I'll require some time to rub the board, okay? Cyanobacteria আগতে পঢ়িছা নেকি? Anyone?
Ma'am, তেনেকে পঢ়া নাই, অলপ এনে দিছিলে cyanobacteria blue green algae বুলি জানা যায়।
Okay, স্কুলত কৰাইছে?
Ma'am, yes, স্কুলত কৰাইছে ma'am।
Okay, what about the other students? অকমান স্কুলত কৰাইছে নাই?
Yes, ma'am, কৰাইছে।
Yes, ma'am.
কৰাইছে no? Okay. So obviously it's not a very new topic then. অকমান হলেও আমি কিবা কিবি জানো। Cyanobacteria এটা example কোৱাচোন?
Nostoc,
Very good.
Anapena.
Adamida, yes. Okay. So the next topic is cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Before going into details, cyanobacteria to ami details of likhim. Before going into details, the points about cyanobacteria that you have to remember. First, cyanobacteria are also called as blue-green algae. Why they are called as blue-green algae? Because of the different type of pigments they possess. First point. Second, what is the most important functions of these blue-green algae? The most important function is they help in biological nitrogen fixation, and as a result, they help or they contribute to increase the soil fertility. Clear? Third point is, when we are talking about biological nitrogen fixation, cyanobacteria bilakor eta specific cell thake, that cell is called as heterocyst, and inside the heterocyst ki hoy nitrogen fixation hoy, right? Or and biological nitrogen fixation port hoy, that special cell called as heterocyst. Fourth point is, cyanobacteria no doubt has some or useful points that we have said, like increase the soil fertility, it could be a means of food, at a protein source, no? If anyone remember the name of that edible blue-green algae, naam janen niki?
No, ma'am.
Spirulina. It's a spirulina, right? That's an edible form of blue-green algae. And the last point is, it has a negative effect also. We have to talk about something called as algal bloom. বহুত বেশি cyanobacteria যদি এটা জায়গাত হয়ে যায়, suppose we are talking about a water body, then obviously it will have adverse effects. So these are the points that we have to remember. Cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, কিহৰ কাৰণে? Pigments কাৰণে. Second, তাহাঁতৰ সবতছে important function, increases soil fertility. কেনেকে? By nitrogen fixation. Third, nitrogen fixation ক'ত হয়? Heterocystত হয়. Fourth, advantage but beneficial points and harmful points. Duita ami discuss korim, and obviously certain examples of cyanobacteria. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. And now we are going to do the real. Okay, another point about cyanobacteria. So one basic difference between bacteria and cyanobacteria. We have a similarity, we have a difference also. Cyanobacteria is also a Monera. Eubacteria is also a Monera. That's a similarity. What is the difference?
Cyanobacteria can fix nitrogen.
cyanobacteria is chemosynthetic.
Chemosynthetic. Okay.
Ma'am,
We have so many
cyanobacteria can
differences.
fix nitrogen, but eubacteria cannot fix nitrogen.
cannot fix nitrogen because valuable nitrogen fixation is linked to cyanobacteria. Very good. But the most important out of both these are comparisons, this what's the important point is between eubacteria and cyanobacteria. The word called as oxygenic or non-oxygenic. মানে ব্যাকটেরিয়াৰ কিছুমান ফটোসিন্থেটিক ব্যাকটেরিয়া আছে তাহাতে কি কৰিব ফটোসিন্থেসাইজ কৰিব ঠিক তেনেকে সাইনোব্যাকটেরিয়া আর অলসো photosynthetic. Both of them are photosynthetic. Eubacteria are কিছুমান photosynthetic, cyanobacteria are কিছুমান photosynthetic. কিন্তু basic difference is cyanobacteria যেতিয়া photosynthesis কৰিব তেতিয়া oxygen liberate কৰে কিন্তু normal bacteria বা true bacteria যেতিয়া photosynthesis কৰিব তেতিয়া oxygen liberate নকৰে. So this is the most important difference, oxygenic and non-oxygenic photosynthesis. Is the point here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to write certain points. So cyanobacteria first likha, it belongs to the kingdom Monera. Right? They are considered as the first organisms to produce two important points. So cyanobacteria agote thaka junbilak organisms, right? So evolution hoy he highly evolved form to available now, right? Once we are talking about that point where life started, right? It's just life arambho hoisile tate ki hoisile junbilak organisms asile ei organisms bilake oxygen produce kora nasile. The atmosphere was very much reduced, right? A reduced atmosphere pora oxidized condition kune form korise cyanobacteria form korise by the evolution of oxygen. Cyanobacteria agoloke jibur organisms asile, they did not have the capacity to liberate oxygen. So first organisms to produce oxygen on earth, the credit goes to cyanobacteria. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. They are photosynthetic organisms. All eubacteria are not photosynthetic, right? But cyanobacteria ki hoy, they are photosynthetic. Clear? Now, if you talk about difference between eubacteria and cyanobacteria, non-oxygenic means what? They do not produce oxygen during photosynthesis. They are oxygenic. So obviously, oxygen produced during photosynthesis. The next point of difference would be regarding pigments. Bacteriochlorophyll. So they will have a pigment called as bacteriochlorophyll A, B. Bacteriochlorophyll A or bacteriochlorophyll B. What thakibo? Purple bacteria. Purple bacteria bacteriochlorophyll thakibo. Aru eta pigment that is present is bacterioviridin. If you remember, we have discussed a chart during the topic called as nutrition in bacteria. লিখিছিলো নে তাতে চাবাচোন তাতে আমি পিগমেন্টৰ নাম দিছিলো bacteriochlorophyll আৰু bacterioviridin. ইউবেক্টেৰিয়াৰ কথা যদি সুধো তাহাঁতৰ দুটা টাইপৰ পিগমেন্টছ থাকিব এটা হ'ল বেক্টেৰিয়া ক্লোৰোফিল এটা হ'ল বেক্টেৰিয়া ভিৰিডিন ইন কেস অফ পাৰ্পল বেক্টেৰিয়া দে উইল হ্যাভ বেক্টেৰিয়া ক্লোৰোফিল A and B in case of green bacteria they will have bacteria viridin and bacteria chlorophyll B bacteria chlorophyll A is absent whereas if we are talking about cyanobacteria তাহাঁতৰ যিবিলাক পিগমেন্টছ হ'ব যেহেতু photosynthesis কৰে তাহলে obviously chlorophyll থাকিব apart from chlorophyll they will have carotenoids carotenoids are color ki yellow orange then they will have C-phycocyanin that is blue in color. Next, they will have C-phycoerythrin that is red in color. However, Parisan Naiswa, basic important points kuntu.
Ma'am, carotenoids to yellow or ma'am ki ase to orange. So আমি যেতিয়া photosynthesisৰ কথা কওঁ নহয় either we are talking about photosynthesis that is conducted by plants or photosynthesis that is seen in case of these type of bacteria right photosynthesis hobo lagile ki hobo lagibo light lobo lagibo so light always pigments that they will take in the light right so jedi pigments na thake tetihale photosynthesis e nohobo so if a bacteria undergoes photosynthesis then obviously it has to have a pigment which will absorb the light so which pigments are we talking about bacteria chlorophyll A B and bacteria viridin we know cyanobacteria also undergoes photosynthesis obviously they will also have pigments aur kenuka dhoroner pigments thake tahate jehetu photosynthesis kore green in color hoy obviously chlorophyll A to thakiboi chlorophyll A other pigments right essential pigments are accessory pigments right ebor ami photosynthesis details korim apart from chlorophyll A they will have carotenoids ki hoy yellow orange color pigments are called as carotenoids jenike chlorophyll A tar color ki green right chlorophyll A jodi basic e thake then obviously that structure or that organism would look green apart from this they will have yellow and orange colored carotenoids and they will have C-phycocyanin or C-phycoerythrin C bottom pisot discuss kori phycocyanin or phycoerythrin phycocyanin will give the blue color and phycoerythrin will give the red color C word 2 means what chlorophycin it's related with sorry it is C word 2 ki dise cyanophycin blue phycocyanin cyanophycin phycoerythrin cyanophycin mane cyanobacteria বুলি কৈছো ন blue green algae বিলাকক so blue green algae তাত থাকা যোনবোৰ pigments হয় সেই pigments বিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ cyanophycin pigments বুলিও ক'ব পাৰো is the point clear and why specifically we are writing about this letter C because pisot ami jetia plant kingdom pohim we'll be talking about red algae or this blue green algae as far as pigments are concerned no almost both kini similarity ase tahatoru phycocyanin thakibo red algae aru ihotoru phycocyanin ase so this phycocyanin is called as cyanophycin phycocyanin red algae junbilak thakibo that would be called as R phycocyanin ami pisot pohim right so you don't have to get confused between this letter all you need to remember is these are the pigments that are present here okay the next point about can I have the board
Ma'am, that part I have not written. Ma'am, can you just wait? Ma'am, last part.
which one
Ma'am, last ma'am.
okay
You.
okay please write लिखिलवा
I'm done, ma'am.
Done? Okay, we move to the next point. The next point is also very important. Important will likhi disu. So, cyanobacteria bilako blue-green algae buli kiho kare koi?
Because they earlier used to resemble the algae, but then it came to be known that they were actually resemble bacteria. So for that reason.
Yeah, that is the reason why they are not placed in the plant kingdom and they are placed in Monera, right? That is the answer for that question. More question to asle blue green kiho karne? Why blue green? I mean, the black, yellow, orange, blue green kiho karne? Because of the pigments, because they have blue pigment and they have green pigment together, and that is the reason why they appear blue green in color. Eto to jano? Right. So one point relating that point, what you need to remember is all blue-green algae are not always blue-green in color. Is that understood? All সদায় যে তাহার blue green হব, not necessary. We have one blue-green algae, and the example is Trichodesmium erythrum. This is a red colored blue-green algae, right? And Trichodesmium or presence or karne, we have a C name after it. Red Sea naam sunisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know whether you have heard or not. Why is the sea called red? Because in this sea, you see the presence of this type of a blue-green algae. So Trichodesmium is an example of a blue-green algae which is red in color. Its number is more in this sea, and so this sea is called as Red Sea. So question 2 ahead. The bacteria involved with Red Sea. So you have to be clear with the answer, right? Ami jetia olop pisot aru will be talking about another kingdom, for example, Protista. There will be reading a word called as red tide. Duta word for him. Eta hol red sea or eta hol red tide. Hodai question to eduta majot ahe, because we tend to get confused, right? Who is responsible for red sea and who is responsible for red tide? Red sea, blue green algae. Red tide, Protist. Right? Protista we'll discuss again. As of now, red sea you always have to remember about Trichodesmium. So Trichodesmium ki hoy? Red colored blue green algae. So, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So as far as Red Sea is concerned, Red Sea ki hoy? Eta inlet of Indian Ocean between Asia and Africa. Iman details nalage, khali a point e monot rakhiba. Right? So a point important. Can you wrap the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another point. These blue-green algae has the capacity to keep changing their color. So blue-green algae, আমি একটা phenomenon দেখা পাও, that is called as Goddecaul's phenomenon. Right? So Godikoff's phenomenon ক'ত দেখা পাওঁ? Blue-green algae. What does this phenomenon tell us? Godikoff এইটো বস্তু discover কৰিছিলে. So what does this phenomenon tells us? It tells us that the blue-green algae can keep on changing their color depending on which part of water body they are in. For example, এটা যদি particular water body কথা কৈছো, so সেই জেগাখিনিত যিখিনি blue-green algae আছে, it is obviously of the same species. Eta species ore, if suppose that species number 2 tahante jodi surface of the water ase, tetiale tahantor color to beleg hobo. Jodi mid portion ot ase, tetiale tahantor color to beleg hobo. Aru jodi ekdom bottom of the sea ase, tetiale tahantor color to beleg. So they can keep changing their colors because of which they are capable of absorbing any type of or any wavelength of light. Right? So, jihetu ki ami ki janu, when we are talking about these organisms that live in water, surface of jinbilak organisms thake, to light they can absorb because highest wavelength of light what thake in the surface. As you go down, light ki hoy, and there is a region where there is no light at all. Right? Janu ne ami hetu bostu? If you are talking about a water body kuntu area sobotse maximum sunlight pam. Obviously on the surface?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Yes. So as you go down, light komi ahi thakibo. Aru ekdom tolot ekebare light na thakibo. So accordingly, the different types of organisms are found. Surface of, ami generally photosynthetic organisms that maximum found. Right? Mazot okoman kom, ar tolot to ekebare non-photosynthetic organisms found. That is called as a benthic zone. Ami right? So what I am saying is, blue-green algae bilake, depending on which part of the water body they are in, they can keep changing their color, and this is what is called as Godikoff's phenomenon. Is the point understood?
Yes, ma'am.
কি কৰিব পাৰে? Right? And right? And this is what is called as Godikoff's phenomenon. Question hai, Godikoff's phenomenon ko dekha pao? Godikoff's phenomenon is observed in blue-green algae and also in red algae. We'll talk about it later. Is this understood? Okay. Next, we'll be talking about the forms of blue-green algae. So, tahantor, 3 types of forms are available. There are certain unicellular forms. Example, spirulina or spirulina ki jano? Edible blue-green algae. And why do you eat this? Because it has a huge source of protein, or it has a huge amount of protein. Right? Next, some blue-green algae are colonial. They stay in a colony. And the best example is nostoc. Some of them are filamentous. And best example is Oscillatoria. ইয়াতে আমি আৰু এটা ইয়াতে instead of নষ্ট we can write colonial বুলি ক'লে we can give examples of Enabina also. Enabina আৰু এটা proper হ'ব microcystis. এইকেইটা example হে লিখিবা। লিখি লোৱা।
Ma'am, microcyst. Ma'am,
CYSCIS.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So কিছুমান single cell থাকিব, কিছুমানে colony form কৰি থাকিব আৰু কিছুমান filamentous। আৰু filamentous বুলি ক'লে আমি কি বুজো? They stay in the form of a thread-like structure. And this is what is called as a filament, right? And whenever we are talking about filaments, no, tahator ki hoy je ei guti filament dalor eta specific naam ase, and this is called as trichome. The filamentous structure is called as trichome. Ei guti dalor ami ki boli kom? Trichome. Clear? So forms of BGA, কিছুমান unicellular, কিছুমান colonial, আৰু কিছুমান filamentous. Next, we have to talk about the cell structure of BGA. আমি যেনেকি eubacteria proper cell structure এটা পঢ়িছো, ইমান details of নালাগে, we need to talk certain points about it. So next heading কৰা, cell structure of blue-green algae. A cell structure of first point. Right? So talking about the cell structure to kenekwa, that they are similar to gram-negative bacteria. A word to monot rakhiba. And when we talk about gram-negative bacteria, cell structure to ami already akiye disilun nai. Positive or negative cell structure we have drawn at the time of gram scaling. If you remember, we have discussed cell structure, cell wall jeti akisilu tetiao discuss korisilu. Right? So gram-negative or kenuka dhoroner diagram monot ase? Gram positive or gram negative or difference ki asile?
When gram positive can retain color, stain, and gram negative cannot retain the same stain.
Yeah, as far as the structure of the cell wall is concerned, bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan,
and the cell wall of gram negative is thin.
Cell wall of gram positive or peptidoglycan thick asile, peptidoglycan thin or less in case of gram negative, right? Next was gram positive single layered, gram negative double layered. Eta ki asile akor protein or layer eta eneke sorry lipids or layer eta eneke asile nai, something like this. And then we have peptidoglycan, and then we have another this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Phospholipid. Right? This was the structure or rough structure about gram negative. Right? So tahator ki hoy double layered, or in case of gram positive, it was single layered. So since we have talked about all this, so diagram I mean, we'll just write the points. Kiba points jodi buji nupua, please ask. এইগুলোকে বোর্ডখন ক্লিয়ার কে দেখা পাইছা নে নাই? The last paper that I have written.
Ma'am, liposaccharides likhiছো no?
Exactly, liposaccharide আৰু innerত peptidoglycan. Third point, যেহেতু prokaryote হয়, lacks membrane bound cell organelles. কিন্তু তথাপিও তাহাঁতৰ exception আছে. Thylakoid আৰু vacuoles. In general, since they are prokaryotes, so obviously membrane bound cell organelles would be absent. In spite of that, we see the presence of thylakoid. Thylakoid ki bostu? It's a sac-like structure where the pigments are present. আমি যেতিয়া photosynthesis কৰিম, we'll be talking about a structure called the chloroplast. Chloroplastৰ ভিতৰত কি থাকে? Thylakoid. Thylakoidত কি থাকে? Pigments বিলাক থাকে. Pigments কি কৰে? Light to absorb কৰে. Is the point clear?
Ma'am, outer or inner part khini ma'am visible নহয় ma'am.
Ekhini নহয়, outer liposaccharide likha. Outer liposaccharide, inner peptidoglycan. অলপ আগতে যিটো একদম আঁকিছিলো সেইটোৱে.
Okay.
Okay. Next, cell structure continuing. So we have talked about the cell wall, right? Next, we have to talk about the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm, in case of blue-green algae, এইটো লাইন হৈছে লিখা?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Right? So if you're talking about a blue-green algae, যদি এইটো cell কথা কওঁ, so cell wall খন তো আমি গম পালো, it will be almost the same as a gram-negative cell wall that we already discussed. Inside the cell wall or inner to the cell wall, we'll be talking about the contents as cytoplasm. So cytoplasm খন কি আছে? যে দুটা পাৰ্টত ভাগ কৰিছে. One is called as the peripheral and the other is called as the central. Now central is something that we understand. Peripheral মানে কি? What is
Circumference.
peripheral? The side, no? Circumference but towards the lateral side. So এইখিনি portion of যোনখিনি cytoplasm থাকিব, এইখিনিক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো? Peripheral. আৰু এই center of যোনখিনি cytoplasm থাকিব, তাক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো? Central. Right? This portion. আৰু ইয়াতে কি হ'ব? Central of nuclear material বোৰ থাকিব আৰু peripheral বা এই side ole কি থাকিব? Thylakoids বিলাক থাকিব. এনেকুৱা set-like structures বিলাক থাকিব, and these are called as thylakoids. Just right, so side ole thylakoids বিলাক থাকিব বা gas vacuoles থাকিব পাৰে. আৰু এই center এইখিনি জেগাত
এনেকুৱা নহয় যে দুটা কম্পাৰ্টমেন্ট আছে not like this that as if you don't have to think it in this way যে দুডাল লাইন আছে আৰু লাইনটোৱে সেপাৰেট কৰি দিছে তেনেকুৱা নহয় যোনখিনি সাইটোপ্লাজম মাজত আছে এইখিনিক আমি সেন্ট্ৰেল বুলি কৈছো যোনখিনি পেৰিফেৰি the circumference আছে আমি কি কৈছো পেৰিফেৰি so the question is thylakoids বিলাক ক'ত আছে একদম সেন্টাৰত আছে নে সাইডলে আছে it is always towards the periphery is the point understood আৰু genetic division ক'ত থাকিব ইয়াতে clear
Yes, ma'am.
এইটো মুসু
Yes, ma'am.
this was point number 4 next So yate mesosome আছে নাই we don't use the word mesosome but a modification of mesosome that is called as lamellosome. Lamellosome is present and lamellosome বিলাকে কি কৰিব it will help in respiration mesosome to respiration help কৰিছিলে Another point about right so thylakoids বিলাকৰ কথা already কৈছো what I said about thylakoid that these are sac like structures right and in these structures কি পাম আমি pigments বিলাক পাম right so photosynthetic pigments বিলাক আমি generally thylakoids পাম so in case of bacteria or in case of blue-green algae photosynthetic pigments বিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কম phycobilins অলপ আগতে আমি চিন্তা discuss কৰিছো ন phycocyanin phycoerythrin L-phycocyanin these are nothing but phycobilins so bacterial photosynthetic pigments বিলাকক আমি as a whole কি বুলি কম phycobilins pigments ক'ত থাকিব thylakoid থাকিব thylakoid will remain scattered now what we mean by the word scattered so you have to go back to photosynthesis in plants plants of the photosynthesis hoy and blue green algae to photosynthesis hoy in case of plants photosynthesis what hoy what is the site of photosynthesis in plants
Chloroplast.
chloroplast so thylakoids bilak kot thakibo chloroplast er bhitor thakibo na thake so if you are talking about a plant cell like this right so yate ki thakibo chloroplast thakibo aru chloroplast er bhitor you will have you will see the thylakoids so in case of a plant cell ami thylakoids bilak kot ase boli if the question is asked we use the word that they remain arranged inside the chloroplast so they have a proper area where thylakoids are present but in case of blue green algae right jehetu ki membrane bound cell organelle na thake to obviously chloroplast na thakibo right but the thylakoids they remain scattered in the cytoplasm we have already discussed thylakoids bilak kot thake peripheral cytoplasm থাকে so scattered মানে cytoplasmত থাকিব আৰু in case of plants thylakoids বিলাক scattered হৈ থাকে নেকি নাথাকে তাহাত ক'ত থাকে এটা proper structure ভিতৰত থাকে that is inside the chloroplast clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay next point number 7 when we are talking about the cell of blooming algae inside the cell we also see the presence of reserved food material যেহেতু lower organisms হয় ন lower organisms বিলাক special কিছুমান বস্তু থাকে so we see the presence of reserved food materials heading কৰিবা reserved food in low grade algae এইটো portionৰ পৰা question আহে দেই so we see different types of reserved food Cyanophycean starch, right? Cyanophycean starch, let's write Cyanophycean granules, the name of that organelle. That ki thakibo proteins bilak store kore. Next, beta granule. So this one grain-like substance thakibo. So Cyanophycean granules or proteins thakibo, beta granules or fats thakibo. Next, another type of granule is Cyanophycean granule or Cyanophycean bilakok Mixophycean buliu koy. Cyanophycean granule or Mixophycean granule or these are also called as alpha granules. Right? So yate ki thakibo obviously starch thakibo and these are similar to glycogen granules. আমি যেতিয়া prokaryotic cell structure rakisilu if you remember the first diagram we have started the class with right the unit start korisilu tetia prokaryotic cell diagram akisilu I think you remember no capsule cell wall cell membrane cilia flagella we have drawn everything right so in that structure we have also shown the presence of glycogen granule aru volatile granule monot ase ne nai
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So hey grains like structures thake aru ei grain like structures bilakot ki thake certain types of reserve food. So glycogen granules bilakot ki thakibo carbohydrate as reserve food aru volatile granules bilakot ki thakibo phosphate as reserve food. So this is something that we have already discussed during that diagram. So exactly the same. Yato ki thakibo starch ki hoy carbohydrates so glycogen granules bilakot ki thake carbohydrates thake. Next is volatile granules. Ebilakot ki thakibo stores phosphate. And finally we also see the presence of certain types of polyhedral bodies. This one aru organelles type bostu dekha pao. আৰু এই polyhedral bodies bilakot ki thakibo eta enzyme thakibo that is called as rubisco আৰু rubisco ki hoy one very important enzyme to conduct the process of photosynthesis আমি পিছত পঢ়িম details
ma'am third point granules or পিছত কি লিখিছিল এইটো ma'am তাই তলৰ letter to ma'am granules alpha
granules clear এটা question কেনেকে আহিব পাৰে beta granules কি deposit থাকে beta granules fat deposit থাকে
ঠিক তেনেকে Synovite and venules or কি থাকে proteins. So this is the way you'll read this part. Clear?
Ma'am, polyhedral bodies of store থাকে
Polyhedral bodies of কি থাকবো Rubisco 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 এটা enzyme সেই enzyme টো ভৰি থাকিব আৰু Rubisco কথা আমি photosynthesis যেতিয়া পঢ়িম তেতিয়া আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম So this was about the structural study of blue-green algae. How does it look like? Cell to without ki ase? Right. Can I have this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we are going to discuss the most important function of blue-green algae, that is nitrogen fixation. So heading koriba nitrogen fixation. Okay. So blue-green algae বুলি কোৱা লগে লগে we remember its role plays a major role in nitrogen fixation. The first point, what we understand by nitrogen fixation, ta mane ki?
Atmosphere পৰা nitrogen to মানে different forms of মানে ground or mix কৰি দিয়া হয়
But the atmosphere
Exactly. So nitrogen ki thake, the nitrogen that is found in the atmosphere always remains in unusable forms. A unusable form to usable formula convert কৰাটোৰ process to can be called nitrogen fixation. The conversion of unusable form of nitrogen that is present in the atmosphere to usable forms is called as nitrogen fixation. Second point, nitrogen fixation সদায় যে biologically হ'ব লাগিব, not necessary. Nitrogen fixation is said to be biological nitrogen fixation when we talk about the role of microorganisms. So, a unusable form or usable formula যদি microorganisms এ কৰে কামটো তেতিয়াহলে সেই কামটো আমি কি বুলি কম biological nitrogen fixation. Biologically যে অকল nitrogen fixation হ'ব not necessary. There are certain methods of physical nitrogen fixation also. Right? Physically nitrogen fixer আমি এটা পিছত detail কৰিম. As of now, what is biological nitrogen fixation? Biological nitrogen fixation is the conversion of unusable nitrogen from the atmosphere to usable forms in the soil by the microorganism so that the plants can take the nitrogen from the soil and ultimately it increases the fertility of the soil. Next point, nitrogen fixation, it is an anaerobic process. Right? So nitrogen fixation যদি হ'ব লাগে এই process খিনি যদি হ'ব লাগে in presence of oxygen এতিয়াও হ'ব নোৱাৰে. So it is an এইটো question আহে nitrogen fixation aerobic হয় নে anaerobic হয়. It is an anaerobic process. The point is why is it an anaerobic process? Oxygen থাকিলে কি হ'ব? During this process of nitrogen fixation আমি এটা statement সদায় পঢ়ো ন plants cannot use atmospheric nitrogen directly. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what we understand by that line? Tamane plants bilake atmospheric nitrogen directly fix koribo nware. Fix mane ki? Doi lobo nware. Right? So kiho karone lobo nware? There are two questions. Plants cannot fix atmospheric nitrogen directly. Who can fix atmospheric nitrogen directly? Microorganisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen directly. আৰু সেইকাৰণে plants বিলাকে microorganismৰ help to লয়. Atmosphere যোনটো nitrogen আছে ন, atmosphere যোনটো nitrogen আছে, সেইটো unusable form, right? এইটো কি হ'ব usable form লৈ convert কৰিব usable form এই process টো কোনে help কৰিব microorganism তাৰ মানে atmosphere পৰা direct nitrogen টো কোনে ল'ব পাৰে microorganisms বিলাকে ল'ব পাৰে কিন্তু plants টো ল'ব নোৱাৰে what is the reason behind কিয় ল'ব নোৱাৰে কিবা এটা বস্তু থাকিব লাগিব বা plants কিবা এটা বস্তু নাই right so nitrogen fixation hobo lagile eta birat important enzyme lage and that enzyme is called as nitrogenase ASE a suffix to dekhile we are talking about enzyme so nitrogen fixation hobo lagile ki lagibo eta enzyme lagibo and that enzyme is called nitrogenase plant cell or bhitorot a nitrogenase is absent or hey karne they cannot take in the atmospheric nitrogen directly whereas in case of microorganisms they have this nitrogen they have this particular enzyme and so they can fix atmospheric nitrogen is the point clear
Yes ma'am.
Yes okay so nitrogen fixation ki hoy ami buzilu nitrogen fixation hobo lagile ki lagibo eta enzyme lagibo enzyme tor naam ki nitrogenase the third point is I have already said that this is a process that occurs under anaerobic condition right why is what is the reason behind why not in presence of oxygen because in presence of oxygen this enzyme will get broken down or will get degraded or it will get destroyed right simply ami ki kom je nitrogen fixation or karone junto hoche important enzyme that is nitrogenase will get broken down in presence of oxygen and so you need to keep that enzyme away from oxygen that is the reason why nitrogen fixation always occurs under anaerobic condition clear
Yes ma'am.
everyone sabe bujhi paisa yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay
ma'am.
আৰু ডিটেইলছত আমি নাযাও কাৰণ এটো এটা বেলেগ চ্যাপ্টাৰৰ টপিক হয় আমি পিছত ডিসকাস কৰিম so first talking about nitrogen fixation in blue green algae আমি কি ক'ব লাগিব the first point is nitrogen fixation in blue green or algae occurs in a specialized cell called heterocyst. So question ahe nitrogen fixation blue green algae kot hoy eta special cell and the cell is called as heterocyst. Second point right so nitrogen fixation ki hoy anaerobic process hoy next talking about the heterocyst no heterocyst ki hoy so generally when we talk about filamentous forms filamentous buzi pao no thread like jiblat forms hoy for example oscillatoria or we can talk about nostoc এই গুটেই বিলাক তাহাতে কি কৰে সেলস বিলাক এটাৰ লগত এটা লগ লাগি পেলাই এডাল ফিলামেন্টৰ নিচিনা ফৰ্ম কৰে এই সেলস বিলাকৰ ভিতৰত তাহাতৰ কি থাকে that they will have special thick walled cell ঠিক আছে গুটেই কিটা সেল thick walled নহয় কিন্তু ঠিক আছে যোনবিলাক thick walled হয় এই সেল বিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কম heterocyst আৰু remaining cells বিলাকক আমি normally vegetative cell এই দুবিলাক কি হয় vegetative cell এইটো এটা heterocyst এইটো এটা heterocyst so heterocyst কি বস্তু বুজি পাইছনে filamentous forms বিলাকত কিছুমান specialized cell থাকে এই cell বিলাকক কি বুলি কওঁ heterosis heterosis কি হয় biological nitrogen fixation হয় clear কিবা question now information about heterosis so ultimately nitrogen fixation code হৈছে এই সেলটোৰ ভিতৰত হ'ব ঠিক আছে এই সেলটোৰ ভিতৰত nitrogen fixation কিহৰ কাৰণে হৈছে কাৰণ সেই enzyme that we have already talked about কোনটো enzyme কথা কৈছো nitrogenase enzyme so nitrogenase enzyme to ক'ত আছে in these cells is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
next heterosis বুলি heading কৰি heterosis of first formula the cell wall is thick and impermeable to oxygen nitrogen fixation ক'ত হ'ব heterosis হ'ব nitrogen fixation in presence of oxygen হয় নে in absence of oxygen হয়
Absence of oxygen.
in absence of oxygen হয় তো এইটো চেলত যদি nitrogen fixation হ'ব লাগে তেতিয়াহ'লে oxygen সোমালে কি হ'ব nitrogen fixation নহয় so ultimately there should be something because of which oxygen cannot enter inside the cell and we are using the word that is called impermeable to oxygen what is impermeable that oxygen allow nokore yeah the cell wall does not allow the entry of oxygen neither it allows the exit of oxygen oxygen to form nokore etu belek kotha kintu entry of oxygen bonware ঠিক আছে so that's the first line so impermeable to oxygen to not so it creates an anaerobic condition. The second point about heterosis, it lacks PS2 activities and so oxygen is not evolved. Likhilwa lacks PS2. Who PS2 absence may present. Carbon dioxide fixation occurs in vegetative cells. Fourth point. PS1 activities or PS1 activities is active in heterosis so ATP is formed during nitrogen fixation. এইখিনি part যোনখিনি মই লিখি আছো নহয়, informations about the heterosis. For example, the words called as PS1, PS2, এইবিলাক বস্তু তোমালোকৰ এতিয়া clear নহব। ঠিক আছে? Clear নহব because we have not done the topic of the chapter called as photosynthesis. This is something related with photosynthesis, PS1 and PS2. যদি কোনোবাই photosynthesis পঢ়িছে, if you have heard the terms called as photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, শুনিছা নেকি?
No, ma'am.
নাই শুনা ন? So কি কৰিবা, এতিয়া আমি বেছি ডিটেইলছত নাযাওঁ, এতিয়া খালি লিখি থৈ দিয়া, আমি যেতিয়া photosynthesis কৰিম তেতিয়াহলে বেছি ইজি হৈ যাব। So bracket লিখি থৈ দিয়া, refer to photosynthesis, আমি যেতিয়া কৰিম তেতিয়া আহি যাব। Right, so this was the fourth point. PS1, PS2 একদম বিৰাট ধুনীয়াকৈ বুজাই দিম, কিন্তু এতিয়া নহয়, এতিয়া বুজালে মই গোটেই photosynthesis chapterটো কৰিব লাগিব। যদি photosynthesis chapterটো আৰম্ভ কৰি দিওঁ, biological classification chapterটো complete নহয়। বুজি পাইছানে?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so এই পাঁচটা point হল about heterosis, ঠিক আছে? So from blue-green algae point of view বা from biological classification point of view, heterosis to আমি কি information জানিব লাগে, যে heterosis is a specialized thick wall cell in filamentous forms of blue-green algae which conduct the process of nitrogen fixation. First point. Second, nitrogen fixation মানে atmosphere of nitrogen to low like usable forms হলে convert কৰি দিয়ে। So heterosis cell to nitrogen in the form of nitrogen থাকিব, বেলেগ forms of থাকিব। বুজি পাইছানে বস্তুটো?
Ma'am, এবাৰ repeat কৰিব নেকি ক'লে আপুনি?
ma'am, আৰু এবাৰ repeat কৰি দিয়ক না, মানে মই
এটা কাম কৰা, আজি এইখিনিলৈকে পইণ্ট কেইটা লিখো, because nitrogen fixation বুজাব লাগিলে it will take a long time, ঠিক আছে? আজি লিখি থোৱা, we can do the explanation in the next class because the time is almost over. Okay, so ইয়াৰ বুজোৱাখিনি explanation I'll give you in the next class because there are many things to explain and only then you'll understand. Heterosis বুলি লিখি এই 5 points about heterosis লিখি থৈ দিয়া।
Ma'am, can you repeat what you just said now?
Yeah, what I said is the explanation about this process, no? What happens in the heterosis, what is PS1, what is PS2, the point that we need to understand, plus nitrogen fixation mane ki. So each and every point that we have written, we'll do the explanation in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Because the time is almost over for today. Okay, so jikhine likhisa khali bhalke likhi thoi dia, we can talk about it in the next class. Will that be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, likha hol na sobore?
Ma'am, হৈ গ'ল?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think then that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Welcome.